It's time for a bit of Daily Dose of Internet. We ain't watched a bit of Daily Dose in a while, and I need some very calm, relaxed, funny hee-hoos, and maybe a little bit of self-realization. But hey, that's a different subject. I know Daily Dose of Internet is supposed to be a daily thing, but if I'm honest, hey, look, a Daily Dose of Internet video, let's go. I don't know, sometimes I just want to watch something that's a bit more relaxed, something that's like, ooh,
Hello,
the world.
everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. They tried to break into the movies using their very own Trojan horse.
That's freaking genius. Oh, what a great cosplay you have. What a great Trojan horse. Ah, yes, there's definitely not people hiding inside of it.
I only have one ticket to see the Odyssey, but I have to sneak my boys in. Get in there! To victory.
I think we're inside.
One ticket to see the Odyssey, please.
Two downstairs.
Oh,
Shut! Did they seriously let them in with that? No way.
thank you, good sir.
Dude!
Ow! Guys, we gotta scram, dude.
How did nobody figure this is what they were doing?
Yeah, you guys can't bring this in, unfortunately.
Whale! That's a 360 feet high.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh wow! Oh my.
You see, you think that it's people that just do a little bit of trolling. Animals troll just as much as humans do. Animals are assholes sometimes. High five! Very nice.
Here we go. Oh my god.
I have many questions. Most notably, why is your baby in the sink? Okay, that's pretty cool and everything, but why is Mini Lad trying to make love to a tornado? Is the tornado underage? Is that why he's after it? Shouldn't laugh. Shouldn't laugh. Shouldn't laugh. Shouldn't laugh. Shouldn't laugh.
Hey, watch Jay turn, bro. Watch Jay turn. Turn sharp as hell, look.
Now, I could pass off my sneezing there as some kind of joke, but I literally just did sneeze unintentionally. I was gonna make listen. As somebody who was in the military, or especially going into the military, do not mock parade dress. People in the military do not want to walk like they're an idiot. But that's just how we're wired, you know? That's just how we're wired. That's how you're trained to walk, or march in this case. You don't know until you've had it drilled into you by an overly oppressive drill sergeant that's not had sex with their wife in 5 years, and the only identity they have is bossing around other people.
This dog has the most unlikely friendship.
That is the cutest fucking thing I've seen all day. That's so cute. Honestly, this could also be a very good representation of VTubers and their different characters being friends with each other. Yeah, so there's this, like, whale girl that's friends with a dog girl, and they're the funniest VTubers I've ever seen. Would be a real shame if the dog mistook the fin of the dolphin for a shark. Oh my god, Trevor, is that you? Trevor! Trevor! Hey, Trevor! Oh! Trevor, why did you eat me?
Daniel.
I wouldn't do better.
These guys were recording this huge iceberg near Greenland when this suddenly happened.
Run! 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 Why are you just sat there watching it? Run! Oh, wow, look how blue that is. Oh my god, that's so fascinating. Whoa, isn't nature fun? Oh, wait, that's global warming. Like and subscribe for existential dread.
Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas,
Tier 3 subscriptions?
carrots, chicken.
Why was I in that video? I didn't give you permission to record me whilst I slept. You mentioned meat around me and I instantly awaken.
Benjamin! What's up, man?
That's just like some professor. You know he gets this like way too often. You know he gets this like every single fucking day of his life, and he's just lent into it. Like one day he was just out, he decided, you know what, I fancy wearing tweed today, and someone was like, oh my god, you look like Benjamin Franklin. And then somebody else said, oh hey Benjamin Franklin, and then he's like, you know what, I think I'm Benjamin Franklin now. Grok, is this AI? Hey, dude, I hate the fact we live in a society now where you see something impressive like this and people just assume it's AI. Hey there, pretty lady. You want to see what I'm gonna do to you later? Damn, that gopher kind of
He
freaky.
checked the measurements when he bought this tent online.
Nosotros por Amazon. La que ordenó el shopping por ti.
Alright guys, little update. Whoa.
And before you say it, oh my god, yeah, that's a tent made for me because I'm a small little chibi creature. I get it. I'm a chibi. I understand. Yeah, look at me. My name's Twitch Chang to make the most obvious fucking joke on the planet because I have no intelligence. My mouth tastes of teeth. That's you. Not funny. I get it. I'm chibified today. I get it.
Alright guys, little update. Whoa. What the heck is that?
Ooh. Aliens. Oh my god, it's aliens.
Or am I tripping?
Okay, so guys, I just moved into this new house, and like, I've been hearing some weird sounds from the toilet, but I don't really know.
I've never seen somebody pet an octopus before.
Oh, you're so cute.
No, I did not just get jump scared. Shut up!
Look at you. Beautiful. You're so soft.
I am absolutely led to believe that the octopuses are the dogs of the ocean.
All right. Bye-bye. Love you.
Like, octopus are absolutely some of the most fascinating creatures to me. Like, they are very inquisitive animals. Like, they're very intelligent as well. You treat an octopus, like, calmly, respectfully, and whatever, they can just be very dog-coded if you do it right. Like, I've legitimately seen, like, people who have befriended octopi. Diver befriends octopus.
So
yeah, look at this.
Reached out to ask me how it all started. I'm back snorkeling on this ship, and I found an octopus today.
Oh mate, I found a fucking octopus. I'm fucking British and I ain't got a wife, so I'm just gonna befriend an octopus so it can suck me dry.
Here every day now. See if we can build this relationship. We've had contact. See you soon, Mr. Octopus. Every interaction was just as magical. I don't know what this octopus
Yeah, C2, thank you for the follow.
I'm thinking, but there was something there where we both knew we were safe to each other.
Aww. Octopus friend.
He was swimming up to me.
I mean, this is all fun and games until, yeah, exactly, Tia. Like, imagine if you befriend a blue-rimmed octopus and the next thing you know, it's like, oh, I made a friend and I'm dead.
Mackie was wanting me to be there with him.
It's day 5 of meeting with my octopus friend.
Yeah, let's hope that this isn't the deep doing this.
Yesterday was the best interaction yet. He was swimming around playing with me. Let's see what he does today. He's not even there. Mate, I can't believe that.
My heart just sank. I didn't cry or anything, but I was worried too.
I think someone's took over my mate's home. There's a big old octopus. This big one scared off my little mate. We'll come back tomorrow and hopefully he's returned.
Things are getting mad. Every day something's happening. Looks like he has got like a spear gun with him. So if I see him coming anywhere near my little mate's house, he's going to be getting told to do one. And we're going to go try and find little man again because I'm missing my little pal.
Octopi is so adorable. I love them.
He's realised it's me and he swam straight over to me.
Aww, little baby.
So I follow him.
Man, I have a diabolical urge to make an octopus persona. I have a diabolical urge to make an octopus character.
Not going fast, kind of cruising through the water. It's like he was leading me. And I'm like, has he just brought me to his new house?
I'm so buzzing that I found him today. He's led me to his new house, so series continues with my little mate.
Aww, so cute. Anyway, octopi
She was
cute.
trying to improve her drawing skills by learning to trace.
천사 떼봐도 돼?
Don't mock. Everyone has to start somewhere.
Okay.
Grok, this man has a semblance of skill. Is this AI? Grok, this person can do something that I can't that makes me feel inferior. This is AI, isn't it, Grok?
These people were trying to board this ferry, but the sea had other plans.
Mother Nature, you scary. And they're just all packed on there like, oh, this is a great idea. Let's go into the ocean so we can all fucking die.
Okay, guys,
Get off the
welcome
boat.
to our new video. I'm going to show you some.
I've never seen a
As somebody who got scared literally about 5 minutes ago, I have no place to mock this person.
kid so excited with their dessert.
Ooh. I'd do the same.
On the 23rd of July, there was a record number of commercial flights flown over a 24-hour time period.
Gee, I wonder where they were going to. Not like there was anything immensely interesting happening during that time frame that kept me up at night because people were shouting, "It's coming home! It's coming home!" Mm-hmm.
What a phenomenon!
This is more of a political demonstration as to the fact that England has so little going on that people get more fascinated by a skateboard than existing in England.
He was having some trouble getting into his kayak.
Where's your kayak skirt? And this is why you wear a skirt when you do kayaking. And by skirt, I mean the rim that goes over. Like, by the way, in case you didn't know, I am a 3-star kayaker. I used to go kayaking all the time back before I became terminally online. Unprepared kayakers make me laugh because they're always going to get wet.
It's a tempest closest. Someone, oh!
Buddy, your Instagram reel is not worth your life. Buddy, come on. Really? I mean, yeah, you know what? I would be tempted to as well. I would want to do that too. Like, ooh, pyroclastic flow. That's so cool looking. Oh, I seem to have melted down to the bone. Is this a mech? Oh, that is cool! What the fuck?
You guys, I just found the nastiest thing at Walmart.
I want one.
And
I
yes,
want
I'm
one.
buying it. Oh god, don't awful. Kraft mac and cheese ice cream. And wait.
Ew. Americans, why? This isn't an episode of Good Mythical Morning of Will It Ice Cream. Why?
They also have a pizza.
His little cousin didn't think he could play basketball, so he had to educate him.
Mogged. Mogged, mate. Mogged.
Hey, man.
Dude, love the tattoos. Wise teacher once say that the axe is mightier than the wood. The wood had other ideas.
These guys captured this pulsating beehive after all the bees were seen flapping their wings at the same time.
Hold on, I speak bee. I speak bee. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. They say your mum gay. Wow! The reveal was unbelievably cute.
I don't know what it is, but I think he's lying.
Levi, are you asleep? Yeah.
This is me, my sister, my dad, at the Nassau, Bahamas, walking down these stairs, and I'm now playing Assassin's Creed in photo mode, and literally recreated the picture.
Oh, that's so
I
cool.
think this dog has a clear favorite.
Man, I want to play Assassin's Creed again at some point. Me when I see somebody in the chat with a tier 3 sub that they're gonna give me.
Hey!
I hate the way McDonald's just be throwing my food together. Like, they
Yeah,
took this. They said,
Copa,
"Here."
thank you for the 10 streak.
Damn.
Ew! Disgusting. God damn it. I mean, I know that stuff gets crunched in the wrapper and everything, but God, fake advertising bugs the fuck out of me of fast food. Diamond, thank you for the resub.
There.
Ooh. So that's where Inky got to. I see she's having recreational time.
This DoorDash delivery driver was offered a bigger tip if he could complete their challenge.
If you could do 5 jumping jacks, I'll give you another tip.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, the life of a streamer. Hey, so hey, streamer, do a trick. Do a trick and I'll give you $5. Streamer, do some jumping jacks. Streamer, take off your jumper and do some jumping jacks. I'll give you $5.
Oh.
Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. That'll be 5 gifted subs.
Oh, wow. Okay, here you go, here you go.
Tia, thank you for the payment.
Dude. Get off. This is what the
Does anybody know what this is?
Me when you. Ooh, meteorite burning up in the atmosphere. Pretty.
That picture on
Well, time to get out the buzzsaw. See, the problem is, it's not that her arm has gotten stuck in the tube itself, it's created a vacuum. Like, that's air pressure. That's not a size problem. And I know a lot about size problems. You know, I'm good with knowing when something can fit into a hole really well. That's a vacuum.
Why is this so satisfying to watch?
Ooh. Why is this so satisfying to watch? Because
here we go. The
pretty.
ass form and they're back. The Lila Nada sound one.
Is it bad that I straight up thought that was just skinny Jack Black for a second? Damn, Jack Black if he went on a diet. Jack Black if he wasn't named Steve with a yearn to mine.
On where you can feel like a, I don't know, Jedi. I don't know what you want to feel like, but all I know is this thing's fun.
I don't think he's a fan of The Lion King.
Oh my god, Arashi with the tier 3! Damn! You just got baited, idiot. You just got baited! Damn. Talk about gullible. Yeah. Thank you, though.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Now, you may think this is really cute and adorable, but then you realize it's because it's got a broken spine or something.
Let's see how...
These guys built their very own custom Lamborghini.
Speaking of getting baited, yo, dude, what a beautiful... Oh my god.
Here's my impression of somebody who works in the news doing the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R.
It's all about the inflections. You see, this is what we're talking about, which means we're going to be saying it in this way. You see, it's about the inflections. Doesn't matter what you say, it's just got to sound like it's informative.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
This guy has a great hack for cleaning out your gutters.
Are you ready? Yeah. Yes!
When this pattern is scanned with a barcode reader, the variations in density across the pattern are converted into electrical signals, which are then transformed into sounds.
I love you.
Science, bitch! Yeah, Mr. White, science!
Oh my gosh, and it's Yoda in the clouds, no freaking way.
I wouldn't have noticed if he hadn't have said anything. And then you got Beaker over there as well from the Muppets. Yeah.
I have no idea how this even happens.
Like naturally forming snowballs.
What? Oh, that's so cool. I love nature. I love nature, Charlie.
Whoa.
She almost walked into a dangerous encounter.
So I'm sitting here just looking right now. I look up. I don't want to record anybody. But then I look up there, right? And I'm just like, how could anybody possibly actually, like, do such a act of graffiti?
See, what they do is they have a severe lack of self-preservation and they hang off the side here. You'd be surprised how committed people who wish to commit a bit of arson will go through to get their scrawlings on the side of a building.
Like, where are you gonna hang from, buddy?
I've never seen the beginning of a monsoon before.
This is the beginning of a monsoon. So this is how the sky looks.
No.
This guy created an interactive game selector for his Nintendo Wii.
Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. That's pretty righteous. Am I right, lads? Am I right? That's a proper lad moment. Am I right, lads? Am I right, lads? That's freaking cool. That's something Tia would do. Tia, are you getting any inspiration?
What's up, guys? I just got this new cheese grater, and seriously, I gotta show you just how good it works. This thing is incredible.
You missed a joke. You could have said it was great.
Look at this.
I can't see any parking signs anywhere.
You can't park there. You can't park there, mate. You can't park there.
What kind of wine is that? What's it called?
So this one is the, as you can see here, the
Swedish.
Why did the plane cross the road?
Because it had to take Jeffrey Epstein to his secret hideout, obviously.
Get out! Oh, what the hell? Okay, okay.
This woman's face was partially paralyzed due to recently being under anesthesia.
Wait. Yeah.
We do a little bit of trolling. We do a little bit of trolling.
Let me see. Ask for cheese fries, y'all. Look at this. Let me see my names.
They were trying to establish.
I think the biggest problem with that is they used American cheese, and that shit is nasty. That shit is nasty. I'd still eat it.
Peace with the aliens, but it backfired on them.
I'm supposed to have it sit right there. Ah, dang it.
I found a remarkably green beetle.
And then you find out it's poisonous and you're about to die. Congratulations. Or it turns out like it's the mummy and it's actually a scarab and it's going to burrow into your skin and live inside your body.
Hey Vicky, I need to tell you something. Okay. It's for TikTok. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. I know you've been hooking up with Jake.
Okay, now somebody make an edit of that using her snorting to start a car. Ooh. Pretty. And we thought that Lego was the first people to invent modular toys. Nature did it first.
Video.
Nature did it first.
And I'll see you guys again.
Cool.
Very...
All right, we're gonna do one more. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna do this one. A little bit of daily dose never hurts no one. A dose of internet a day keeps the doctors away because you're poor for spending all your money on Pokemon.
Near Lake Powell when a sudden rainstorm came at the worst possible time.
Ooh, that kind of thing's like prolific flash floods, if I'm not mistaken.
This wasn't the plan.
That shit's real dangerous. Yeah, this is how you end up in a flash flood.
Nobody was hurt, and they all managed to escape safely.
Follow.
Should we go up the elevator? Or should we go up the stairs? Let's go up the stairs!
Puppy!
They asked their AI to count to 100
Jared, thank you
in
for
an
the
extremely
thank
sad
you for the
voice.
sub. Appreciate that.
Are you okay?
This is awful.
Keep counting.
Oh. Oh. 20. 21.
Whoa, me trying to count to 30 while somebody's giving me head. You may say that's inappropriate, but you gotta multitask.
These guys saved this raccoon that was struggling in the water.
Save that critter! Save that critter!
Okay, don't bite me. You get caught with me eating your shoe.
Little bin bandit. Yeah, go for it, Tia. Absolutely. I want to see. So my friend Tia actually lives out where that canyon was. And apparently they have a photo. Apparently, according to them. Show me, Tia. Show me. I want to see. I love the chippy. Oh, thank you. It's my little derpy braid. Yeah. It's kind of cursed. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, are you taking the mick out of me, love? I'll fucking have you. Me, my stendo neck. Mate. Well, Tia, I'm awaiting. I want to see your backyard. Oh. See, when you look outside your backyard, you see some very interesting things. I look outside my backyard and all I see are bricks. Oh, little guy. Finally, Guardians of the Galaxy is saved.
Oh, wow. That's pretty good.
I think it might have been a bit windy.
And he's out of there.
You like that?
Oh my god.
The dolphin was not
I think the bike overreacted.
Oops.
Excuse me, sir. Your umbrella's not open. You have a blessed day, bro.
So
yeah,
apparently
we
this
love people who
politician
just do
forgot to
people
remove
things.
The AI-generated part of his speech.
That exceed the power.
Anyone that uses AI for this shit, or AI in general for things that should be done by humans, deserve to be mogged.
Actually granted to those offices. Here's a more natural flowing version of that section that reads like a legislative speech rather than a series of short points. Madam Speaker, one of my concerns with this legislation is the...
If I take this, roll it up, take this one, roll it up as well. Which do you think will drop first? Ready?
Your balls.
It's a tie.
Billy, get my gun. Billy, where's my gun? Billy, I'm tired of this shit. I don't know. No! Fuck! Hate it!
These women usually feed the ducks, but this time they didn't have any food.
Duckies! Quack. Who needs a dog when you got ducks?
What? Seriously?
I mean, honestly, if I ended up getting a duck as a pet, I would be pheasantly surprised. Look, if they can make a Thai joke, I can make a duck joke and a pheasant joke. Because I ain't chicken! Do you get it? Do you get it? Do you get it? Sorry, these jokes are really foul.
Trick? Want to say trick?
If anyone has seen my mom.
This bear was enjoying a peaceful walk along the trail when these humans interrupted them.
Natural selection at its finest. The bears were hungry. Thanks for offering yourself, you idiot.
You're too close! What are we gonna do? We gotta get off the trail!
Back off!
Go, bear, go!
Go, bear! Back off! Get out of here!
Okay, go back down now.
I mean, you're in its backyard. What do you expect?
Get out!
Whoa, bear! Whoa! And the bear's like, whoa, what? I'm just taking a walk, dude. Chill. Also, animals can speak. We just choose not to because we think you're assholes.
Boy. Yes.
Yeah, we love natural skill. Ah, phantom smell.
Yo, this has to be the most hilarious I've seen in my life, bro. Look at this car, bro. He wasn't capping, bro. He was really over.
It's probably no surprise.
Hey Tia, being a carhead, how much does this upset you on a scale of 1 to 10?
Over.
It's probably no surprise that my favorite video of this episode is a clip of Jimothy.
Jimothy! The creature! The cryptid! The lad himself! The man of the year! Jimothy! Can we get an am I right, lads, for Jimothy being the cryptid of the year? The lad! The legend! Guarantee you there's been like several cryptid videos made of his silhouette existing.
I guess Toyota really do think of everything.
They, give you a nice overhead console. And a place to put your sunglasses. And a place to put your sunglasses. And a place to put your sunglasses. But wait, a place to put your sunglasses. Just in case. A place to put your sunglasses.
You see, it's because Toyota knows that you're going to use that car for dogging. So they put a place for all of your flings to have their sunglasses. Because they know what you're going to get up to in the back of that car. You slut.
These guys were on a hunt.
I'm not laughing at the nope, I am not laughing at that. I am not laughing at that. I am not that basic. I am not that basic. I am not that basic. I am not that. Fuck!
Like when they came across this underground coal fire that had risen to the surface.
Oh my god.
Dude. Oh my god.
Ah yes, a gaping chasm leading directly to hell. Oh, I know! Let's stand directly on top of it!
Okay, it's on fire.
Oh my god.
The wind decided it wanted to.
That man needs to buy a lottery ticket because he just cashed in every iota of his luck for the rest of his life.
Turn playing her harp. This poor guy didn't realize that was his mom.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
People are getting restless.
People are getting restless over here.
This guy's trying. That's an album cover right there.
This girl was trying to sneak out and thought the doorbell camera wouldn't detect her leaving.
You played yourself. Well, that's what you get for having a TV outside, you antisocial fucks.
Yep, come on.
Now this is an album cover. The Goat Council has seen you and have dubbed you cringe. Your punishment shall be sentenced to the depths of goat hell. How do you plead? Bad.
This might be the biggest gear stick I've ever seen.
Huh.
Weak.
I know.
Weak.
Can I do it again?
No.
Okay.
Dad, you go.
Two these up.
Whoa.
Whoa. Alright, Disney, your turn.
I'm going in. Alright, whatever.
Pathetic. A lack of kinetic energy. Your lack of kinetic energy bothers me. You inferior life form. I mean, this is clearly meant to be a kangaroo. But you're living in Australia, which means this is actually very factual. I mean, who knows what's living in the world? I mean, if more pauses has taught me anything, anything could be lurking in the suburbs of Australia. Rawr. Rawr. I'm a dinosaur. Rawr.
What? In 14 kilometers? Where are we going?
I guess that's one way to tow two cars.
What's your hidden talent?
I feel like driving behind that van would be the equivalent of that sense of dread you get when you're driving behind a logging truck after having just watched Final Destination.
I don't know what you're telling me.
Shake.
Every kid at some point has gone through the pain of losing Monopoly to their parents.
My turn. 6.
See, I did not believe in the anger that could be generated by playing Monopoly up until the Christmas of 2015, where I went back to my parents' place to spend Christmas. And we did the thing that you never should do with your family, and that's playing Monopoly, amidst other things. And, you know, we sat there thinking, oh yeah, it'd be, you know, Monopoly, what a cliche, right? We're all gonna hate each other by the end of this. After 30 minutes, my sister threw her money on the floor, flipped the board, because I just stole all of her property. You'd play the game, you're gonna get played, motherfucker. It's not my fault that I was a proper gangster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I get 4 coins.
This kid is never destined to get into real estate development. Bye!
I just want to give you some water. Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I don't know.
Here.
I could do dough fishing. Ha 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 ha.
Can you bring that to your mouth?
What?
Give yourself a sip of water.
Drugs.
That's probably your mouth. Here, let's get some more water.
I have ass in my mouth?
No, it's from
Damn! Talk about a self-report.
If I was him, I'd be entering the Powerball that night.
Ёб твою мать.
Не, розтрни, низ. І ще.
Ooh!
Носок подрав.
Ну всё.
This guy added Play-Doh to his
Jeez.
piano, and it sounds like a completely different instrument.
Yo, I'm not trying to dox nobody's car, but she got the EQME license plate.
I feel like they should have given him a bigger
Excuse me.
scraper.
Oh, see, that's the same kind of video that you end up watching after you doom scroll on YouTube too much, and you end up in the pimple popping section. Like you've expunged all of your like specific interests, so then YouTube starts recommending quote unquote highly satisfying videos. Crunchy.
Daddy, think he's farting. He's farting.
His daddy's like farting.
The girl needs her medicine, and we need to vary up the way that we hide the pill, so that we.
Yeah, don't try and play it off too smartly. You try and eat, like, all you gotta do to convince your pet to eat anything is to try and eat it yourself. Because they know if you're eating the food, it's something they should eat too. Don't think about it too much.
We might have been overcomplicating this.
This isn't your everyday police chase.
Ha, Svenja! Damn, Timon after Lion King fell flat kind of had to find a different job, didn't he? Genius. Genius. NASA hired this man.
Super dangerous, but also really cool.
Oh my god, we finally have a level 13 wizard in real life!
She's not great with sharing.
See what you can do in there.
I hate you.
No, 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 no.
Even understand what the
What do you mean, no?
was in that nap. I looked normal when I went to.
I'm Zeta, and this is the Deflating Moose Challenge.
Can anyone explain to me how a fire rainbow is made?
Science! Science! Wizardry!
What are you spelling there?
Bridal.
Bridada?
Somebody get this person a book.
This is a mimosa plant, and whenever its leaves get touched, they contract. This is a defense mechanism intended to startle herbivores, make itself look less appetizing, and generally protect itself.
So it's an introvert plant. Because like most introverts, the second you try to touch them, they reclude into their shell.
He's clearly had a really long night.
So I got a call from my mom first thing this morning. She's like, "Can you come help get this raccoon off my porch?"
No, he's just resting.
This thing ain't moving. It moved from there to there, and now it's curled up on a french fry. What am I supposed to do?
That's oh my god, it's Groot! Yeah, he's just surfing the waves, dude. He's just chilling.
So how does this actually work?
Oh god, I went too fast, I went too fast, I went too fast. Stop. Okay. Go fast, Jules. Slow down. I'm bringing it on in. Why is this working?
Ah, centrifugal force. Man skipped out science and didn't understand how momentum works.
I guess her car is haunted.
Is something wrong with my car? Or is the ghost in his... You see it.
Malfunctioning electrics or Casper the Friendly Ghost thinking your car's cringe? Damn. Oh! Okay. Okay, because this could only end well.
This guy's cat greets him.
So your first problem was actually drinking the shit to begin with.
In the cutest way whenever he arrives home.
You want to jump again?
Ah, kitty.
Blind pack. Oh, that's what they're for.
got advice that it's actually kind of forbidden.
I was this many years old when I knew this. Huh. I've been chopsticking wrong the whole time.
Love when she starts whistling.
For those people who are narcissistic, that they need to look at themselves in the mirror when they're shagging their wife's boyfriend.
Hello.
Hey, little guy. What you doing? Look at this little armadillo.
Poor little armadillo, he's just minding his own business. Bum 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 ba-da-dum. Spider hamster, spider hamster. Puppy! No! No! You're a cringe human!
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed.
We love us some Daily Dose of Internet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this. I know Daily Dose stuff doesn't really do as well, but, you know, sometimes it's just nice to have a little bit of a calming, relaxing look at the world, you know? So if you've enjoyed this, please don't like and subscribe. Go and subscribe to Daily Dose if you haven't already for whatever reason. And, you know, if you want to see my stuff early, you can check out my Patreon and support me there, and check out my Twitch for live reactionary stuff, and all that kind of good stuff. Billy, the lovely creature that they are, has put up a couple videos for you to check out as well. So please make sure to go check those out as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.